So this video is going to be talking about determining if a decimal can be written as a fraction. So essentially it's asking you if something is rational, and rational just means can it be written as a fraction. So there's two main rules that you need to know. If it is terminating, which they talk about in this first one, or if it is repeating, it can be written as a fraction. So I'm just going to talk about really quickly about what those two things mean. So terminating means you can see the end of the decimal. Okay, so if you can see the end of the decimal and it doesn't have these little dots, and this is what that means. The dots mean like it continues. So if it is terminating, meaning you can see the end of the decimal, it can be written as a fraction. And then repeating, if the numbers are repeat, a number or a set of numbers repeat, it can be written as a fraction. So if I look at this, right, and while it will not be terminating, right, if it was just like a random set of numbers and it has these ... I would say, okay, just go ahead and no. But it's not. So when you look at this, you have 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7. That set of numbers of 3 and 7 repeat, and they repeat in the same order. So can this be written as a fraction? Yes. And that is because this is a repeating decimal. Okay. So even though this goes on and it's not terminating, it is repeating. Okay, so for this one, I look and I see 5, 6, 2, 1, 4. None of those numbers repeat in any specific order, and it continues. So is it a terminating decimal? It's not. Is it a repeating decimal? It's not. So this is neither terminating and it doesn't repeat, so this is a no. This cannot be written as a fraction. Okay, so for this one, 0.254. I can see the end of that fraction. So because I can see the end of it, this is a terminating decimal. Yes, it can be written as a fraction. Okay. And then my last one, 0.23. This bar on top means that specific number repeats. So it is 0.23333 forever and always. Okay. So because that repeats, this is a repeating decimal. Even though the number doesn't go on forever, like you can't just see it keep going, that's what that bar over the number means. So yes, this is repeating. Okay. So also, just really quickly, if this says 0.37, like that, this written this way is the same as that, but it's just two different ways to do it. So that is all you really need to know for this question. So as long if it is a terminating or repeating decimal, then the answer is yes. If it is this bottom one, this is neither terminates nor repeats, it is no. Okay, that's all you need to know for this question. If you have any more questions or want to see another example, or if it gets a little tricky and you're not quite sure, just let me know and I'll explain it. Good luck, guys.